Hello everyone, welcome to I Ching Way. I'm Dr. Tien. Today we will talk about 5 elements. This is the foundation I Ching and Feng Shui. Let's dive in. 5 elements. 5 elements are metal, water, wood, fire, and earth. The relationship among the 5 elements are divided into 2 types, generating and restraining. Generating means growth. Restraining means keeping under control or limiting. Let's focus on the first one, generating. This is the generating cycle. Metal generates water. Water generates wood. Wood generates fire. Fire generates earth. Earth generates metal. Then we're going back. Metal generates water. Generating cycles is ancient sages they observe from the nature. Metal generates water. This means places with gold mine usually get a lot of rain. Rain is water. Water generates wood. In places with abundance of water or rain, trees grow very well. Wood generates fire. Trees and wood can be burned and create fire. Fire generates earth. After fire burns things, they become ashes, which turn into earth. Finally, earth generates metal. Gold and other metals, they are formed within the earth. These metal minerals are all come from the land, the earth. After knowing the generating cycle, let's focus on restraining cycle of the 5 elements. The restraining cycle of 5 elements, it means metal restrains wood, wood restrains earth, earth restrains water, water restrains fire, fire restrains metal, and so on. Just like the generating cycle, the ancient sages, they observed the nature and they noticed the restraining cycle. Metals restrains wood. An ox can cut down a tree, so a tree is not able to grow. Metal restrains the growth of the wood. Wood restrains earth. When trees grow in the soil, their roots penetrate the earth. Earth restrains water. We can use sandbags to block waters. Waters restrain fires. Water can put out fire. Fire restrains metal. Fire can melt metal. Why do we need to learn the 5 elements and to understand its relationship? The relationship among 5 elements, they are the foundation of I Ching and Feng Shui. In the future, I will teach you how to divine, how to cast hex. After we get the hexagrams, we need to interpret. The way we interpret is based on the 5 elements. You might wonder, wait a minute, I did not see any 5 elements in the hex. You're right. Because 鬼谷先师王禅老祖, he realized in each hexagram, it contains with time and space. So 鬼谷先师王禅老祖 integrate the heavenly stems and earthly branches into each hexagram. So in the future, we will learn how to divine, how to cast a hexagram and use the heavenly stems and branches to interpret. The relationship between each heavenly stems and earthly branches is based on the 5 elements. An important thing is, although we have heavenly stems and earthly branches, the majority of our time when we interpret the hex, we focus on earthly branches because earthly branches, they are more close to human. The heavenly stems and earthly branches allow us to understand the time and the place. Don't worry about that. In the future, I will teach you how to interpret those 64 hexagrams with heavenly stems and earthly branches. Let me give you some examples. In the future, each hexagram has 6 lines, and each line corresponds to the heavenly stems and earthly branches. We put heavenly stems and earthly branches with each hexagram so we can interpret the relationship. For example, if you divine about the cooperation between 2 people, the hexagram will show you 6 lines. One will be you, one will be the other person. If the other person is water and you are wood, it means the other person, your potential partner, they generate you. So they will be very nice to you. They will help you to growth. They listen to you. Another example, if the other person in the hexagram, they are metal and you are wood. Remember, metal restrains wood. So the other people is not so nice to you. They have very strong opinion. They want to control this relationship.